Hey, what's up, YouTube? I have a little production value update. I am investing in a tiny tripod. It's a Joby GripTight 1 GP stand, and I'm going to do an unboxing video of that tripod. And then I'll be able to have better unboxing videos in the future when I don't have to use one of my hands to film it. So, here we go. This is the new Joby bod thing. Got my knife too, because apparently that's a YouTube thing that, people do, but this is a Leatherman Freestyle CX, the special one with the carbon fiber insert. That also means it has a straight blade instead of a serrated one. And there's a lock in there, and the only other tool this has, it's a pretty basic thing. It's like the small version of the Skeletal. And you'll notice this is kind of hard to manipulate with one hand, but it's possible. You got some sweet pliers with, cutting tools and stuff like that. But this isn't supposed to be with pliers, just need to do the knife introduction. And as I said, there's a sweet carbon fiber focus. Yes. Carbon fiber thing. Yeah, this is a small version of the Skeletal, which kind of extends out from this and has a little carabiner thing, which is kind of sweet, and a few other tools like an actual screwdriver. But this is a nice, small, good, hefty knife. It's also got this little clip, which is handy. But yeah, you saw how hard that was to do with one hand. So Leatherman's actually released the new Leatherman Free, not Freestyle, but Leatherman Free line of tools. That's like, they're a weird magnetic clasp thing that's kind of easy to do with one hand. But anyway, this is supposed to be about this. So I probably don't need that knife anyway, because it has some cool things. But, let's use the knife slightly just to get them started. Cool. Yeah, one-handed, difficult, but possible. In the future, this should hopefully solve this problem. Those holes aren't big enough to, this is just to get this started. Even though I did this with one hand, you'd think you could get the damn thing out of that hole. But we're just gonna, tear off that now, because that's clearly the way it should work. The whole thing should just open. This is supposed to be flexible, so we should just be able to, squeeze it out. All right, you know what? We do actually have a kickstand on my phone case, so that's easy enough, and we can make this visible as I used to. In the future, this thing, oh, that's cool. So it's meant you can hold it, I guess, but I kind of wanted to not be one of those guys and actually tripod things. Clearly, I need to bend this a bit better, but roughly that kind of height. Once I get the other thing on, I can be doing, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. This might work. It's also meant that you can, cling things. If I actually did it with effort. Of course, though, there's the phone part of this that's going to actually hold the thing, too. Because I really can't do this one-handed. But yeah, this video is being filmed on a Pixel 4, the smaller one, because smaller phones are so much better and nobody makes them. So yeah, this is, yeah. That opens like that to grab your phone, and should be spring-loaded. So yeah, that can grab the phone like that, and that'll thread into that, and the whole thing can fold down to a nice small package. Let's go like this. That was way faster. Cool, so we're done, and then you can just boom, and now we're on tripod. Having never done this before, we're just gonna keep it going. So, this wasn't the only thing that came in my package today. The other little upgrade I made today, I have been working on, I've been working on my chair which, well, this came a little while back, but this thing's awesome. This is a purple seat cushion, which is great. They kind of designed these out of wheelchair needs, and so they're fantastic cushions. But today, these little cushions just arrived that just stretch over my armrests, and they, so far, for the few seconds I've used them, have been way better than those plastic junky armrests. But my favorite part is that they change colors depending on which way you push it. So you can be like, I'm gonna draw pictures. Let's see. Yeah, that wasn't anything in particular, but I tried to hit subscribe and then gave up, and I don't know, we'll see. I could do things on this one too. Might be easier like this. Yeah, see, you can't do horizontal lines. So, thanks for watching. The idea was to upgrade to the tripod when I got to 10 subscribers. I'm at 8 right now. So 2 more subscribers, please, and then I'll have justified this video. But thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.